Ever wondered why hydration is so critical, especially for athletes? Well, it's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about maintaining a delicate fluid balance in our bodies. And here's where electrolytes come into play. These tiny charged particles help regulate our fluid levels and keep us performing at our peak. But when we sweat, we lose these vital electrolytes. That's where an electrolyte drink can help. Now you're about to discover an easy electrolyte drink recipe that you can make at home with simple ingredients. Scene script, ready to quench your thirst and replenish those vital electrolytes? Here's how. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yes, salt. It's an essential electrolyte that keeps your body hydrated. Next, you'll need a 1/4 cup each of fresh lemon and lime juice, giving your drink that refreshing citrus zing. Now for the hydration powerhouse, 1½ cups of unsweetened coconut water. It's packed with 5 key electrolytes, making it a natural super drink. Finally, you'll need 2 cups of cold water. Now, let's get to the fun part, making the drink. Combine all these ingredients in a large jug or bottle. Give it a good stir until the salt is fully dissolved, then pop it in the fridge until it's nicely chilled. And there you have it, a refreshing and hydrating electrolyte drink in just a few simple steps. So, to quickly run through it again, start by combining salt, lemon juice, lime juice, coconut water, and cold water in a large jug or bottle. Give it a good stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Once that's done, pop it in the fridge to chill before serving. Now you're all set to quench your thirst and boost your hydration with this easy homemade electrolyte drink. Remember, staying hydrated is key to maintaining your performance and overall health. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and while you are at it, head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great smoothie tips and recipes.